Morning everyone. Quickly ask if anyone having any doubts related to the previous topic. पिछले क्लास में जो भी पढ़ाई हुआ है उसको लेकर के अगर किसी को कुछ डाउट्स है तो पहले बताएं प्लीज. विद्या, नो डाउट्स. ओके, वेरी नाइस. देन एनीवन एल्स? मनन, नो डाउट्स. ओके. ओके. ईसा also no doubts. Very nice. Okay, so let us move to the next exercise, that is exercise number 4, which is based on, okay, Harshit also no doubt. So based on the addition and subtraction of fractional number. Okay, so everyone quickly come to page number 199, exercise number 4. Exercise number 4, page number 199. I am writing page number also because some of the students may confuse with the exercise, because exercise is there on normal chapters also, but these are the questions based on the additional questions. I mean based on the miscellaneous exercise, based on the mental mathematics, so slightly different. So first question which it is asking, just you need to fill it up the boxes. So we know very easily that if the denominators are same, as like in case of fractions wherein the denominators are same, then you need to just add the numerator, right? So directly you can check in first question which it is asking, question number 1, that is 7 divided by 11 plus 3 divided by 11 is equal to how much divided by 11? So very simply, just so you know, in this particular case we just add the numerator. So numerator we have 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. So 10 divided by 11 is the required answer. Exactly. Very nice. So in this way we can see the second one. Second one is are not both in same denominator, both with the same denominator. So quickly let us see how we can solve this type of questions wherein it is asking 4 by 7 plus 1 by 5. So what will be the answer? You need to fill it up both the things as like numerator and denominator. So what will be the required fractions that you need to fill it up? So very easily you can see in this particular case what we will check is just you need to first make both the denominator equal. So to make both the denominator equals, we need to check it out. Okay, so one process is there to take the LCM of these two numbers. So both the numbers will be equal if you multiply here with 5 and here with 7. So here with also 5, here with also 7. So the required number will be 5 4 are 20 divided by 5 7 are 35 plus 7 divided by 5 7 are 35. So it will be 7 plus 20 is 27 divided by 35. So 27 divided by 35 will be the required answer. Okay. So this is how 27 divided by 35, exactly. Very nice. So this is how you can do in case of the numbers with the different denominators. Okay, and let us see further what types of questions which we have may be related to the subtraction also, because this chapter is based on addition and subtraction of the fractional number only. Okay, and these are not so much difficult because you all have learned lots of questions related to the fractional number in previous classes also. So let us see the further which we have in the third question. So question number 3 देखते हैं. So 3 we have 10 divided by 15 minus 1 divided by 5 is equal to how much divided by 15, that you have to tell. So here how much divided by 15 you need to tell. So 5 and 15 का अगर आप लोग LCM लोगे then it will be 5 3 5 are 15, 5 1 are 5. Okay, so LCM will be 5 into 3 means 15 only. Okay, so you need to make 15. If you multiply this 1 then it will be 15. 1 तो नहीं भी लिखोगे चलेगा, इसमें जस्ट आपको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So if you multiply 3, you need to multiply 3 with the numerator also. Then the result will be 10 divided by 15 plus 3 divided by 15. Not plus, this is minus, sorry. So now it will be 10 minus 3 divided by 15 is equal to 7 divided by 15. So this will be the required answer. So here it will be 7 now. So very easily this is how you can write. Exactly 7 by 15 is absolutely correct answer. So very simply just you need to keep in mind to take the LCM in the case of the denominator are not equal, and you need to make the denominator same numbers. After then you just need to add or subtract. Sometimes it is in the denominator nothing is given, so at that case we need to take 1 as the denominator, as like यहाँ पे अगर fourth का बात करें, we are having one number wherein the denominators are not given, denominators is not given, so you need to consider it this as 1. Nothing is there means you can take 1 as the denominator. Let us see the numbers which we have. So third number which I am talking about, sorry, fourth number which I am talking about, that is 1 minus 16 divided by 17 is equal to dash divided by 17. So here nothing is in the denominator, so let us take it as 1. Okay, 17 you need to make this also, so you need to multiply with 17 here also, multiply with 17 here also. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे अच्छे से लिखते हैं इसको. Okay, so this will become now 17 divided by 17 minus 16 divided by 17. So this will be 17 minus 16 divided by 17. This will be 1 divided by 17. So here it will be 1. Okay, so जिसका भी आंसर 1 by 17 आया है, that is absolutely correct answer. ठीक है, exactly, yes, 1 divided by 17. So very simply you can just do the further questions, like 1 plus 9 by 11 will also be the same. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 आई होप आप लोग बना लोगे. हाँ, तो 5 जो हो जाएगा that will become 11 plus 9, so 20 by 11. ठीक है, तो 20 by 11 is in so you can convert that into mixed fraction. Okay, so improper fractions में जब रहता है तो हम लोग normally convert कर देते हैं mixed fractions में. So let us see the further which we have in question number 5. So fifth question is very easy. 1 plus 9 by 11. So 1 plus means 1 by 1 plus 9 by 11 is equal to dash by 11. So very easily just you need to make this 11 also. So to make this 11 we will multiply by 11 both the side. So 11 by 11 plus 9 by 11 कितना होगा, that just you need to check it out. So 11 plus 9 divided by 11. So 11 plus 9 is 20 divided by 11. So 11 times 1 times is 11 plus 9 is 20. So this will be 1 whole 9 by 11. ठीक है, 11 1 or 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 by 11 means 11 whole 1 whole 9 by 11. तो 1 whole 9 by 11 will be the answer, और 20 by 11 भी आंसर हो जाएगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर फिल करने बोला गया है, तो इसके हिसाब से 20 भी होगा, 20 ही होगा. बट अगर आपको एक्सप्लेन करके बोलने का आंसर करने का बात करें तो आप इतना एक्सप्लेन करके बना सकते हो. ठीक है, सो मूविंग फर्दर, 6th is also same, so I'm not explaining 6th. 8th, 7th, let us discuss 7th or 9th. Okay, so 7th is with the 3 fractional number, nothing is the else. So it is also similar, just we are having 3 fractional numbers, so don't worry about it. Let us solve question number 7 everyone and tell me the answer. So 7 we have 3 by 7 minus 2 by 7 plus 1 is equal to dash divided by 7. So here just simply you need to check it out back, because we said that nothing is there in the denominator means 1 is there. So now you need to make this also 7. So make it 7, you have to multiply by 7 with both the sides. So this will be 3 by 7. Actually process is to taking the LCM only. Okay, but here I have done like that only. So minus 2 by 7 plus 7 by 7. So this will become, this is 7 only. So this will become 3 minus 2 plus 7, 3 minus 2 plus 7 divided by 7. यहाँ पे आपको एक चीज ध्यान देना है कि साइन जो है, सिंबल जो है, that you need to keep in mind very carefully, because this is also plus and nothing is there means plus sign is there only. So first you have to add the positive numbers and then you can subtract it. So positive numbers we have 7 plus 3 and negative numbers we have only minus 2. So 7 plus 3 is 10, minus 2 is 8. So here it will be 10 minus 2 divided by 7, that means 8 by 7, that means 1 whole 1 by 7. Okay, so इस तरह से यहाँ पे अगर बात करें फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में तो ये 8 हो जाएगा हम लोग का. So 8 by 7 will be the correct answer. ठीक है, so this is how very easily you need to solve this type of questions. Understood everyone? Yes, 8 by 7 is absolutely correct answer. So like this you can solve question number 8 also. Now moving to the 9, wherein it is asking for mixed fraction only. So whenever the numbers are in mixed fraction, first you have to change that into improper fractions, and after then you have to just add the or subtract whatever it is asking for. Okay, so quickly let us see what is in question number 9. Two whole 4 by 5 plus 3 whole 1 by 5 is equal to dash divided by dash, and again it is asking dash. Why? Because this will be divide. तो ये divide करने के बाद उसको और हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं वो भी पूछा गया है. तो either it can be convert into mixed fraction or maybe it will be in whole number. ओके, तो चलिए चेक करते हैं इसको. 5 to 10 plus 4, इसको कन्वर्ट करने के लिए सभी को आता है मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. वी जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई विद दिस एंड ऐड द न्यूमरेटर. सो 5 to 10 plus 4 is 14. So 14 divided by 5 plus 3 5 are 15 plus 1 16. So 16 divided by 5. Okay, so 16 divided by 5, this much only. Now you have to add it. So 14 plus 16 divided by 5. So 14 plus 16 means 6 plus 4 is 0, 30, right? So 30 divided by 5. Okay, 30 divided by 5, तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 30 divided by 5 means this will cancel out. So 5 6 are 30. So यहाँ पे हम लोग इसको cancel out करेंगे. 5 6 times 30. So 6 will be the answer. That means here it will be 6. Okay. So exactly 30 by 5 is equal to 6. So very easily this type of questions you can answer or you can do. Okay. So these are the questions based on addition and subtractions of fractional number. Now further we have multiplication and divisions of fractional number. Questions related to multiplication and divisions of fractional number. Just for that you need to keep in mind the multiplication of fractional number only. Then very easily you can just do for the division also, because division is the reverse of the addition. It's reverse of the multiplication only. Just you need to flip the numerator and denominator. So we have learned about this type of questions lots. So let us see the multiplication and divisions of fractional number related questions also. Now I hope you can solve the rest of all questions of exercise number 4. So quickly tell me everyone if anyone having any doubts in exercise 4. Exercise 4 में अगर किसी को और कुछ questions में doubt है तो जल्दी से बताएं. I hope बाकी आप बना लोगे. But still okay नहीं है. चलो बहुत बढ़िया. Very nice. Very nice. So moving to the question number 5. Sorry, exercise 5 now, wherein it is asking about multiplication and division of fractional number. So multiplication of decimal numbers, sometime it is asked for of only. Of का मतलब होता है multiplication, as like by का मतलब होता है divide. Okay. So यहाँ पे 1 by 8 of 14 पूछा गया है. इसका मतलब very easily this is the multiplication what we have. So question number 1 it is 1 by 8 of 40 means 1 by 8 multiply 40. So this will be cancel out how many times? 5 times 8 is equal to 40. So 5 times. So answer will be 5 into 1 is 5 only. Okay. So this is how you can do very easily this type of questions. Second question is just you need to convert into improper fractions. Okay, just it is given in mixed fractions. So just multiply with 10. So 9 into 10 is 90 plus 7. 97 by 9 will be the answer. So it will be 97 then. So second question is asking, just it is given in mixed fraction and it is supposed to, you are supposed to convert into the improper one. So 10 whole 7 by 9 is there. So 10 whole 7 by 9 exactly. So 9 into 10 is 90 plus 7 is 97. 97 divided by 9 will be the answer very easily. Now the division related question is there. 1 by 5 divided by 5. This is the third one. This was the second one. So third one is asking 1 by 5 divided by 5. So यहाँ पे divided by 5 जब भी रहता है, nothing is there in the denominator means 1. Just for checking this, just for changing the sign, we need to just change the denominator and denominator, जिसको हम लोग reciprocal के बारे में पढ़े थे. Just we need to make the reciprocal of these numbers, right? So it will be now 1 by 5, and if I change this sign into multiplication, then we will write the reciprocal of this. So reciprocal of this will be 5 by 1 then. Sorry, 5 by 1 is already there, so reciprocal will be 1 by 5 then. So reciprocal will be 1 by 5. So 1 by 5, now you need to just multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 1 multiply 1 divided by 5 multiply 5. So it will be 1 by 5, 5 are 25. So 1 by 25 will be the answer. Okay. So इस तरह से बहुत ही इजीली आप जो है 1 by 25, वेरी नाइस. बहुत ही इजीली आप इस तरह से जो भी क्वेश्चंस हो मल्टीप्लिकेशन रिलेटेड और रिलेटेड टू द डिवीजन यू कैन डू. ओके. So next we have is 4th and 5th. So 4th and 5th is also very easy. So let us take one among this. So 5 ही लेते हैं हम लोग. Question number 5 which we have is 5 divided by 2. This you need to divide 2 whole 1 by 2. So 2 whole 1 by 2. So this also we will make, the first we will convert this mixed fraction into the improper one, and after then we will make the reciprocal of the numbers and then we'll multiply it. So 5 divided by 2 and again divided by 2, 2 or 4 plus 1 is 5 divided by 2. Just we will change the reciprocal now. It will become 5 divided by 2 multiply 2 divided by 5. Now this all will cancel out. Okay, क्योंकि multiplication है तो cancel हो जाएगा. बाद में भी आप cancel कर सकते हो multiply करने के बाद भी. 5 to 10 होगा, 5 to 10 होगा, 10 divided by 10 is 1 ही होगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे 1 multiply 1 will be 1 only. So 1 will be the answer. So ये बहुत ही important question है. ठीक है, आपको यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना है रेसिप्रोकल कैसे निकालते हैं और डिवीजन कैसे करते हैं. दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड इन एग्जाम्स आल्सो. ओके. सो मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वेरिन इट इज आस्किंग चेंज ईच पेयर ऑफ द ईच पेयर विद द सेम डिनोमिनेटर. अब कोई भी नंबर्स जस्ट you need to change into same denominators. For changing into same denominators you need to check the take the LCM only, and after then you can make as much as numbers given into the same denominator. So here same denominators करना है. Sometime it can be asked for the same numerator also. So according to the question you need to do as like it is directed. तो जैसे पूछा जाता है उसके हिसाब से. So the numbers are given. Let us take the third one. Question number 2 का third लेते हैं. So 7 by 8 and 3 by 4. So these are the two numbers and it is asking to make the same denominator. Denominator ये है तो दोनों को सेम करना है. तो इसके लिए हम लोग का जो प्रोसेस पता है that taking LCM. So 8 and 4 का LCM लेते हैं. 2, 4 2 are 8, 2 2 are 4, 2 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 1. So 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 8 1 are 8. So 8 you need to make the denominator. ठीक है, तो 8 it is already there in this number. So you need to make this as 8. So for making this 8 you need to multiply 2. If you are multiplying 2 with the denominator you have to multiply 2 with the numerator also. So the required numbers will be 7 by 8, 7 by 8 and 7 by 8 and 3 2 are 6 divided by 8. So these are the two numbers which will be the required answer. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो both become now with the same denominator. So 7 by 8 and 6 by 8 will be the answer. Which is greater? To check it out, we have to remind the process which we have learned कि कैसे हम लोग को check करना है. कोई अगर दो फ्रैक्शनल नंबर दिया हुआ है, तो हाउ वी कैन चेक इट आउट कि विच वन इज ग्रेटर एंड विच वन इज स्मॉलर, दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग। तो यहाँ पे फ्रैक्शनल नंबर में जब बहुत सारा केसेस होता है, फर्स्ट केसेस इफ डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम देन इट इज वेरी इजी टू से, but sometime denominators are not same, then you have to make the denominators same first, okay, and after then you can compare. Sometime numerator are same, so अगर numerator दोनों same है then also it is very easy to find out. So ये तीन cases हो सकता है, one case may be if denominators are same, second case may be if numerator are same, third case it may be numerator and denominator both are different, so you need to make the denominators equal and then you can compare. तो यहाँ पे दो नंबर दिए हुए हैं, लेट अस सी वन एग्जांपल्स। ओके, सो थर्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, लेट अस टेक थर्ड वन ओनली, वेरिन इट इज गिवन 7/12 एंड 2/5। सो क्विकली टेल मी एवरीवन विच वन इज ग्रेटर। यहाँ पे दोनों जो है अलग है, तो सबसे पहले आपको दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम करना पड़ेगा एंड देन यू कैन कंपेयर। सो क्विकली टेल मी एवरीवन विच वन इज विल बी द ग्रेटर। जल्दी से बताएं। सो कितना आया पहले बताइए, दोनों का इक्वल करके। सॉरी, चलिए, चलिए लेते हैं इसका एलसीएम। सो 12 एंड 5, सो कितना में हो जाएगा? 12 एंड 5 3 नहीं जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, राइट। सो लेट अस सी कौन कौन ने आंसर अगर दिया है किसी ने। 7/12, 7/12, 7/12, चलिए बहुत बढ़िया, 7/12। हाँ, तो 7/12 कैसे ग्रेटर हो जाएगा, वो अगर एक्सप्लेनेशन आप लोग बताएं तो बेटर होगा। चलिए, सभी 7/12 आंसर कर रहे हैं। सो फर्स्ट यू नीड टू मेक बोथ द डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल, तो दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर अगर इक्वल करेंगे तो आ जाएगा कितना, मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा इसमें 5, इससे में 12, सो 5 7 are 35 डिवाइडेड बाई 5 12 are 5 2 are 10 0, ओके, 5 2 are 10 0, 5 1 are 5 plus 6, ओके 60, एंड ये हो जाएगा हम लोग का 12 से मल्टीप्लाई, सो 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 24 डिवाइडेड बाई सेम 60, okay, so 35 in this numerator, 35 is greater, so 35 will be greater, that means 7/12 is greater. So इस तरह का केस में आपको जो है सिंपली चेक करना होता है, ठीक है, कि which denominator is equal, I mean greater, whose numerator is greater, that number will be greater. In case of numerator, okay, if denominators are same, but अगर numerator are same, तो numerator अगर same है तो जिसका डिनोमिनेटर स्मॉलर होता है दैट इज द ग्रेटर नंबर, ठीक है। और अगर नहीं सेम है इस तरह से नंबर, देन फर्स्ट यू हैव टू मेक इक्वल डिनोमिनेटर्स एंड देन यू कैन कंपेयर। दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। इफ एनीवन हैविंग एनी डाउट्स यू कैन आस्क, रेस्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू डू इन योर होमवर्क। बाकी आप होमवर्क में बना लेंगे। किसी को कुछ डाउट्स है यहाँ तक तो बताएं। ओके, थैंक यू एवरीवन, हैव अ गुड टाइम, टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय।